Have you heard the buzz about a digital dinar? It's a hot topic, and it's moving from online rumors to actual government plans. So, is Iraq really about to launch a new digital currency? Let's break down what's happening, why it matters, and what it means for you. In early 2024, the governor of the Central Bank of Iraq, Ali al-Alak, made it official. Iraq is working on its own central bank digital currency, or CBDC. The goal, to eventually phase out paper money. Now, this isn't some brand new currency with a different value. Think of it like this. A digital dinar would be worth the exact same as the paper dinar in your pocket, but it would live in a digital wallet on your phone. So, why is Iraq doing this? Well, there are a few big reasons. First, cash-heavy economies like Iraq's face challenges. Money often circulates outside the formal banking system, making it harder to track and manage. This leads to what's called leakage, where money is used in informal trade or even smuggled. A digital currency could help bring more of that activity into the light. It also makes things more efficient. Printing, securing, and distributing physical cash is expensive and risky. Going digital can cut those costs dramatically over time. Another major driver is financial inclusion. A huge part of Iraq's population doesn't have access to traditional banking. Digital wallets and payments could be a game changer, allowing more people to participate in the formal economy, receive payments, and send money easily. Plus, in a world where everyone from China to Europe is exploring digital currencies, Iraq doesn't want to get left behind. It's a signal to the world that the country is modernizing its financial system. How would this actually work? While the full blueprint isn't public yet, we can expect a system built around digital wallets. You'd use an app on your phone to hold and spend your digital dinars. Behind the scenes, this might be powered by blockchain or a similar secure ledger technology to keep track of every transaction. The rollout won't happen overnight. We'll likely see pilot programs and a gradual phasing out of paper banknotes, not a sudden switch. If they get it right, the benefits could be huge. Greater transparency could help combat money laundering and corruption. For the average person, it could mean faster, cheaper payments and better access to financial services. For the government, it offers more powerful tools to manage the economy, control inflation, and respond to economic shocks. A successful digital dinar could also boost investor confidence, showing that Iraq is serious about upgrading its infrastructure. But let's be realistic, the road ahead is full of challenges. Reliable internet and electricity are not a given everywhere in Iraq, and the digital currency depends on them. Then there's the issue of trust. Getting people who have relied on cash their whole lives to switch to a digital system is a massive undertaking. Cybersecurity is another huge concern. A centralized digital currency system could be a prime target for hackers, and it also raises questions about data privacy and the government surveillance. And the digital dinar isn't a magic wand. It can't fix underlying economic problems like budget deficits or dependency on oil revenue on its own. So, what does this all mean for anyone holding Iraqi dinar or watching the currency? First and foremost, a digital dinar does not automatically mean a revaluation or a sudden spike in the currency's value. It's a change in form, not in fundamental worth. The success of this project could strengthen the Iraqi financial system over time, which might lead to more stability, but there are no more guarantees. Right now, Iraq is still in the research and the planning stage. We're waiting for an official roadmap, pilot program details, and the new laws that will be needed to support this shift. For now, it's a development worth watching closely. It's a bold step toward a modern financial future for Iraq, but its success will depend on much more than just technology. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into global finance. See you in the next video.